Hi all, welcome to Zoho OneDrive demo. So in this demo, you can have a OneDrive demo of what is OneDrive demo. So it is a secure cloud-based platform for your team file management, and it will gives you the shared file, and you can upload the file, and you can manage the team folders in the one workspace. So you can manage the other application of spreadsheet or presentation if you want to create presentation, or if you want to create any word document or writer something like that, we can create in the Zoho Drive in one platform. So let's start with the application. So we will have to log in first to the Zoho workspace, and we will have the workspace of all the Zoho mail work drive in the in the one place. So log in into a Zoho workspace, click on the user ID, click on next, and you will see the password and all those things. Great. In the right corner, we have an option of all unread. So this shows you all the files that you have been recently shared with you but haven't been yet open. So it is a great way to catch up fast, and you can see all unread messages easily. And we have a recent file. So if you want to need to go back something you have worked on recently, click here to see all your recently opened and edited file in one place. And next is favorites. You can mark any important file as favorites, and it will be show up here for quick access, so you no need to search every time in the under tab. And labels, organize your files with color coded labels, whether it's your priority by departments or project wise. You can easily filter by the labels. And next is like shared with me. See everything that others have shared with you across folders or teams, right? So no need to dig every mails or chat. So go into the shared with me and check who are all shared with the files. And collect files. So want to gather documents from clients or colleagues, use collect file to request upload file directly into the folder without needing access to full drive. And then my folders. So here where your personal files live. So these are only visible to you unless you decide to share them. Next is team folder. Below that, you have see the team folder that shared from the workspace. It is a general. So like that, you can have a team folder created by plus new icon. So like it is for finance team, marketing team. Like that, you can create a folders in the folder table. So this the sidebar is designed to help you stay organized and keep your all your files in the one folder. So we will go on here next feature of my folders in the right corner. So we have a record option. In the record option, we can have a screen recording option, video recording option, and audio recording. So this will help you to add a recording, screen recording, and upload a file directly. So and then we have a option of new creating option. In this new creating option, you can first you have the folders. You can create a folders like we can manage the folders in the um, tool, so we can manage the folders wise. And then we have a Zoho writer. So if you want to need to draft a document, so it is like word document or something, we have in the name of Zoho writer. We can create a blank document, or using the Mitch template also we can create a document like this. If you click on this, it will show you the documents. So like this, you can create a documents here. And then you have the option of Zoho sheet. And Zoho sheet is creating spreadsheet, so you have creating a mini spreadsheet, right? So like this, we have a Zoho sheet. So it will track your data, and we can have a sum of managing like financial data we can have in the Zoho sheet also. And Zoho show. So for presentation wise, PPT wise, if you want to create any show, you can create a Zoho show here. We can present via Zoho show. And then we have an option of uploading files and folders. So you can upload individually files or entire folder directly from your device using this option. So it will have a shortcut also, Control plus Shift plus F. Control plus Shift plus U is the upload folder. Next, we have a import from cloud. So you can even import documents from other cloud services. It will quickly bring everything into your one space. So you can upload directly from any other cloud. And then other features like link, add a web link to reference content if you have. And then code snapshot, so paste and organize short and bits of codes. And record is, as I said earlier, screen video or record. You can record directly. And Zia, use Zoho Zia AI assist to organize your exact insights from your files also. Next feature is like if you select any files or folder, it will have an option of share. So you can share within your organization, or you can create a new external link and share to any other person or customers. And then you have a copy link option and downloaded option. You can download the file also. And you have a more option of open in new tab and move to which file, if you want to move to any other file, and rename option. If you want to move to trash also, you can have a move to trash also. And then we have the option of preferences. So if you have any preferences like changing of color or something, basic preferences you can able to change. And then if you want to manage your folders in the trash or something, you can have a filters like a trash and shared item in the left corner. So if you want to search any other folders, so like a name of spreadsheet. So if you want to search, it automatically gives you the file types and dates, and filter by what is the filter by, you can filter and search it by here. So likewise we can use the Zogo workday. And if you want to log out, click on the icon, and we have the option of sign out button, we can have an option.